Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to fix issue. Microphone on the PS5 controller is not working. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Method 1. Press PS button on the controller. Let me press PS button. Then select mic. Here ensure that mic is not in mute state. If it is in mute state like this, we have to unmute. Done. Then select mic. Make sure that we have selected wireless controller here. Okay. After that, go to adjust mic level. This is the method 2. Go to adjust mic level. Then select microphone level for microphone on controller. Select it. And here make sure that this level we need to adjust. So this make sure that this is high. If it is low like this, then microphone of the controller won't work. So we have to make it high. So these are the two methods to fix this issue. Microphone on the PS5 controller not working. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.